Good evening and welcome back to Mike Makes It. Tonight we're looking at two HDMI products, both of which I currently use. This one is a splitter, 4K 30Hz. You supply 5 volts into the back, to which you're rewarded an LED that lights up in green here. You feed your signal into there and out the back, output 1, output 2, you feed off to 2 separate monitors. I currently use this for Skybox, so you feed the input into the back and this will feed 2 separate monitors, one's in one room, one's in the other. Works fine, it's faultless, can't grumble, does exactly what it's supposed to do. That's a HS306 by Techole. I've had that for 12 months, works a treat. Lovely case, extruded aluminium, face plates are also aluminium. Really good, can't grumble with that at all. This one I've just purchased is a bi-directional switch. What I needed was a switch, which this is. You feed a Windows PC, this is what I do. I feed a Windows PC into one of these inputs and I'll feed my MacBook Pro into the second, and I can switch to a large screen that I have depending on which computer I'm currently using. So if I'm using the Mac, fine. If I want to swap over to Windows, click a button, automatically does it. It's faultless, it doesn't hang up, I've had no problems at all with it. Granted, I've only had it for a week or so, but I'm not expecting any problems. If it's as good as this product made by Techole, then it'll be great. The other thing with this, there's no separate input. It pulls no separate input for the voltage, for the supply to it. It picks up its supply from one of the cables. So you don't need to worry about a 5-volt power adapter to it. This is about a tenner off Amazon, and that is HS303. That was a 306, and that's about £15 also from Amazon. I've looked at this one on eBay and it's pushing £27, so quite a bit more expensive. I'd have gone from my normal supplier and Banggood from China, because I like them and they're usually cheaper, but they don't seem to sell this. So I've gone to the old Amazon store and that's what I've been supplied. But they work a treat. You shouldn't have any problems with them if you're looking for a switch or a splitter. Now don't get confused between the two. One is a splitter, 1 in, 2 out. This is a switch which will switch between either 2 inputs to 1 output or 1 input to 2 outputs, but not at the same time. So it's 1 in, 1 out to output 1, or 1 in to output number 2, or you can feed 2 devices in and switch one of those devices to the output to your monitor. So, but yeah, there you go. If you found that useful, thumbs up would be terrific. Maybe think of subscribing, because that's always also helpful for the channel. Thank you.